As always, we must educate these people that claim that evolutionism is scientific. Now, I will provide down here in the more info uh, the sources, because I know that by me just saying it, you'll demand. But no matter what, even if it's in black and white and it says it's right there, you still will not acknowledge it. But nevertheless, let's move forward. I will read this to you, and then you can open this up, and hopefully you can educate yourself on the fact that all dating methods are uncertain at best. Okay? So here we go. Uncertainty in carbon dating. As mentioned above, there is significant uncertainty in carbon dating. There are several variables that contribute to this uncertainty. First, as mentioned previously, the proportions of C14 in the atmosphere in historic times is unknown. Now, clearly, I skipped the top portion, but hopefully you can start at the top and just work your way down. The C14 C12 atmospheric ratio is known to vary over time, and it is not at all certain that curve is well behaved. Complicating things further, you see what I'm saying? Various plants have different abilities to exclude significant proportions of the C14 in their intake. This varies with environmental conditions as well. The varying rates at which C14 is excluded in plants also means that the apparent age of a living animal may be affected by an animal's diet. An animal that ingested plants with relatively low C14 proportions will be dated older than their true age. Excuse me, let me read that again. An animal that ingested plants with relatively low C14 proportions will be dated older than their true age. Attempts are often made to index C14 proportions using samples of no age. Let me repeat that again, because I know it's hard for you guys to grasp this. Attempts are often made to index C14 proportion using samples of no age. While these may be useful to eliminate the uncertainty of atmospheric proportions of C14, it does not compensate for local conditions such as which plant species are in the diet. The uncertainty in the measurement leads some to conclude that the method is far less predictive of age than is commonly supposed, especially for older samples. Let me read the last part just one more time. Attempts are often made to index C14 proportions using samples of no age. While this may be useful to eliminate the uncertainty of atmospheric proportions of C14, it does not compensate for local conditions, such as which plant species are in the diet. The uncertainty in the measurement leads some to conclude that the method is far less predictive of age than is commonly supposed, especially for older samples. Just like we've been trying to tell you, this stuff doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Now, you can believe that it does all you want, but that just becomes your religion. It does not become scientific. All right. So food for thought, because most of you think I'm an ignoramus that don't educate myself, and I don't study. That's far from the truth. As you can clearly see, I will give you down here. Just click the arrows that are joined together, the arrows that are before the views. It'll open up, it'll give you more information, and you'll be able to click on the source that I will give you, and you can read at your heart's delight. Now, there's another article that I'd like to read you to, another dating method called dendrochronology, and it comes from another secular source. The Laboratory of Tree Ring Research. Okay, what is dendrochronology? It is the dating and study of annual rings in trees. The word comes from these roots: ology, the study of; chronos, time, more specifically events and processes in the past; Dendros used in trees, more specifically the growth rings of trees. What do tree rings tell us? The practical application of the study of tree rings are numerous. Dendrochronology is an interdisciplinary science, and its theory and techniques can be applied to many applications. See our subdiscipline for examples. I will not read that. You can read it at your own. Why not just count the rings, right? Well, okay. Ring counting does not ensure the accurate dating of each individual ring. Numerous studies illustrate how ring counting leads to incorrect conclusions drawn from inaccurate dating. Dendrochronologists demand the assignment of a single calendar year to a single ring. Various techniques are used to cross-date wood samples to assure accurate dating. What a double standard. But as you can clearly see and read on your own, it will tell you how dendrochronology and carbon C14. I mean, I can give you plenty of examples, but I think this is enough for you to delight at your own leisure, whatever it is that you want to do. And you can say all you want that evolution is proven, but clearly it isn't. C14 shoots down the claims of evolutionism because it's just inaccurate. So is dendrochronology. And I know that you're gonna say that that's just not the case, but you know, I don't care what you do. You do what you want to do, but it's right there in black and white. And hopefully you don't close your ears and shut your ears and close your eyes, because it just slaps you in the face and tells you clearly that that's just not the case. All right.